In this video, I am going to show you how we can uh, disable blogging in Microsoft Word 2016. So, as you know that Microsoft Word let you blog from right inside from the Word, as you can see here. So, anyone can start a blog post right from uh, here if you use blog post and anyone can choose the blogging service provider and type the blog post URL, a username and password, and can blog anything. And but in enterprises or in big corporations, they do not allow anyone to blog because companies monitor what you can blog about and what you cannot, where you can blog about and where you cannot. So you can control it via the policies, group policy. By default, group policy, through group policy, we can control our system, but not Microsoft Office. So Microsoft had created some ADMX files, which are policy definitions that are located here. If you go to your C drive and in Windows, we will find this policy definition folders where all your group policies are stored, and the extension of the files is ADMX. So Microsoft has a ADMX file for Microsoft Office. So you can control everything related to Microsoft Office through the ADMX file. Just search for ADMX files Office 2016. So here is the link. You can download this. From here, you can select your version x86 or x64, and it will download a file which you can see. Here is the download file, and after double clicking it, you will see it will ask you to where to extract this file. First of all, you have to accept the agreement, and then it will ask you to give the location where you want to save your files. So here I have extracted in my documents folder. So this is the folder ADMX, and here you will have to copy these files first of all and paste it into this policy definition folder here. So after you can see the English US folder. So go to your again ADMX folder and double click ENUS folder and copy these files to the ENUS inside the ENUS folder of policy definitions. Here you have to copy it. So when you copy it, your group policy management editor will show you the location. In the computer configuration, in the administrative templates, you can see Microsoft Office 2016 machine, PowerPoint, Skype for Business, and in user configuration administrator panel, you can see all the applications. So to control the blogging, we have to go first to Microsoft Office 2016 folder, and then here is a miscellaneous folder, and here you will find the control blogging. So double click it and click on enable. Here is the description, and by default it is enabled. You can select your all blogging disabled and click on OK. So now the group policy has been applied. Now go to your Word, because only through Word you can do the blogging. So click on the blog post and you will see error. Word can't open blog post because your administrator has turned off this feature. So in this way, you can control blogging in your enterprise environment. Thanks for watching.